Let me show you how to make the most incredible chicken fried rice that beats any takeout version. Start with 200 grams of chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces. The marinade is key. Use half spoon of cooking oil for tenderness, 1 spoon of light soy sauce for saltiness, and half spoon of dark soy sauce for color, half spoon of oyster sauce for richness, and half spoon of garlic and half spoon of chili for that essential kick. Massage it in with your hands. This ensures every piece gets evenly coated. Let it sit for 15 minutes to absorb all those incredible flavors. This method delivers perfectly separated grains, tender chicken, and that classic wok flavor without any special equipment. Heat just a touch of oil in your non-stick pan. Cook the chicken until perfectly done. No pink remaining, but stay juicy. Remove and set aside while you scramble 3 eggs in the same pan, breaking them into fluffy cuts as they cook. Add yesterday's rice. The slight dryness is actually perfect for fried rice. Toast and diced carrots for color and crunch. Then return the cooked chicken to the pan. Keep everything moving until well combined. Finish with a pinch of salt and a generous handful of chopped scallions. The final toast wakes up all the aromas and brings everything together beautifully. What you get is textbook perfect fried rice. Every grain sprayed and coated. The chicken stay moist, the eggs fluffy, and the vegetables adding perfect texture contrast. This is not just cooking, it is mastering a classic.